Welcome, travel enthusiasts and curious minds alike. Today we're taking a virtual journey to the heart of West Africa, exploring the country of Mali. A land of contrasts, Mali is a country where the pulsating rhythms of the city meet the tranquil silence of the desert, where ancient traditions mingle with modern influences, and where every turn reveals a new spectacle. Situated in the western part of the continent, Mali is steeped in history that dates back thousands of years. It's a place where you can trace the footsteps of ancient civilizations, from the legendary city of Timbuktu to the distinctive mud brick architecture of Djenné. The cultural richness of Mali is as diverse as its landscapes. From the vibrant music scene of Bamako to the sacred dances of the Dogon people, Mali's cultural heritage is a testament to the resilience and creativity of its people. Now let's traverse across this captivating land and discover the most breathtaking sceneries Mali has to offer. Our first stop is Bamako, the bustling capital city of Mali. A city that pulsates with life, Bamako is nestled on the banks of the Niger River, a life-giving artery that has sustained civilizations for centuries. The river's serene waters reflect the city's vibrant spirit, creating a captivating tableau that is as mesmerizing as it is unforgettable. The cityscape of Bamako is a fascinating blend of tradition and modernity. You'll find grand, modern structures standing tall beside humble, traditional mud brick houses, a testament to the city's rich heritage and its embrace of the future. The city's architecture is as diverse as its people, an eclectic mix that gives Bamako its distinct character. A walk through the city's vibrant markets is an experience in itself. The air is thick with the aroma of exotic spices and the chatter of traders and customers. These markets are a riot of colors, from the bright fabrics to the fresh fruits and vegetables. They offer a slice of everyday life in Bamako, a glimpse into the city's bustling heart that is as real as it gets. Then there's the National Park of Mali, a green oasis in the heart of the city. With its lush landscapes, it offers a tranquil retreat from the city's hustle and bustle. The park is home to a variety of flora and fauna, making it a haven for nature lovers. It's a place where you can enjoy a leisurely stroll, soak in the beauty of nature, or simply sit and watch the world go by. Bamako is more than just a city. It's a melting pot of cultures, a testament to Mali's rich history, and a beacon of its bright future. It's a place where every corner has a story to tell, where every street is a new adventure waiting to unfold. Bamako, a city where tradition meets modernity, never fails to impress its visitors. It's a place that captures your heart and captivates your senses, leaving you with memories that will last a lifetime. Moving on, we venture into the ancient city of Timbuktu, a city that once stood as a beacon of African civilization, a bustling hub of trade and knowledge, a crossroad of cultures, and a testament to the power of human ingenuity. Today, Timbuktu is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, standing proudly as a symbol of Mali's rich past, and a testament to the resilience of its people. In this city of golden sand and azure skies, history comes alive in its ancient mosques, like the Grand Sankore Madrasa and the Jingwereber Mosque, both of which are architectural masterpieces dating back to the 15th and 16th centuries. These structures are not just places of worship, they are living monuments to the city's golden age, when Timbuktu was a beacon of knowledge, attracting scholars from all corners of the globe. But it's not just the mosques that tell the story of Timbuktu. The city's unique architecture is a sight to behold. The mud brick houses known as Tombouctou are a testament to the ingenuity of the city's early inhabitants, who adapted to the harsh desert climate by creating buildings that stay cool in the searing heat. And of course, we cannot discuss Timbuktu without mentioning the mystic desert views. The city, located on the southern edge of the Sahara, offers breathtaking vistas of endless sand dunes, where the golden sands meet the clear blue sky in a symphony of natural beauty. It's a sight that has inspired poets and artists for centuries, a sight that leaves one with a sense of awe and wonder. Timbuktu, a testament to Mali's rich past, leaves an indelible mark on every traveler. It's a place where history comes alive, where the past and present coexist, where the spirit of adventure thrives. Whether you're a history buff, an architecture enthusiast, or simply a traveler in search of unique experiences, Timbuktu is a destination that promises to leave you with unforgettable memories. Next, we find ourselves in the awe-inspiring landscapes of the Bandiagara escarpment, a place where the rugged beauty of nature intertwines seamlessly with human ingenuity and cultural richness. This isn't just a collection of cliffs and plateaus, it's a testament to the resilience and innovation of the Dogon people who call this place home. Situated in the Sahelian region of Mali, the Bandiagara escarpment stretches over 150 kilometers, forming a formidable natural fortress. Yet it's not just the sheer size that leaves one breathless. It's the intricate details, the way the sunlight dances on the rock surfaces, the shadows playing hide-and-seek with the crevices, and the occasional bursts of greenery stubbornly sprouting from the otherwise arid landscape. Now imagine this stunning backdrop punctuated by the Dogon villages. These settlements, clinging precariously to the cliff faces, are a sight to behold. And it's not just the architectural marvel that they represent, but also the cultural significance embedded within them. The intricate wood carvings, the unique granaries, and the sacred altars all tell a story of a people deeply connected to their environment and their ancestors. The Bandiagara cliffs are not just geological formations, they are panoramic windows into the past. Each rock, each path, each village holds a story, a piece of history that adds to the mystique of this place. It's like stepping into a living, breathing museum, where the exhibits are not confined within glass cases but are part of the very landscape. And then there are the views. From the top of the cliffs, one can see miles into the horizon, a vista of endless possibilities. It's a view that is both humbling and empowering, reminding us of our tiny place in this vast world, yet also of the boundless potential within us. The Bandiagara cliffs, a marvel of nature and culture, are truly a sight to behold. A place where the past and present coexist, where the power of nature is in harmonious balance with human endeavor. It's more than just a destination, it's an experience, an adventure, a journey into the heart of Mali. Lastly, we arrive in the city of Djenné, home to the largest mud brick building in the world. An architectural marvel, the Great Mosque of Djenné stands as a testament to the city's rich history and cultural heritage. This structure, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a masterpiece of Sudano-Sahelian architecture, with its distinctive adobe walls and wooden support beams jutting outwards in a harmonious blend of aesthetics and functionality. Beyond the mosque, Djenné itself is a city steeped in history. Its traditional architecture is a sight to behold, with entire streets lined with mud brick houses, their facades adorned with intricate patterns and designs. Each building tells a story, a narrative of the city's past and present, its people and their traditions. And speaking of traditions, one cannot visit Djenné without experiencing the city's bustling market. Held every Monday at the foot of the Great Mosque, this market is the pulsating heart of Djenné. The air is filled with the chorus of haggling vendors, the aroma of spices, and the kaleidoscope of colorful textiles. And there you have it, a glimpse into the stunning landscapes and vibrant cities of Mali. We've journeyed through the lively streets of Bamako, soaked in the rich history of Timbuktu, marveled at the majestic cliffs of Bandiagara, and admired the grandeur of Djenné. Each location, a testament to Mali's unique beauty and cultural richness. From the bustling markets, historical landmarks, to the picturesque natural landscapes, each corner of Mali offers a unique story. A story of tradition, resilience, and a celebration of life. A story that's waiting for you to discover. We hope you've enjoyed this journey through Mali, but our adventure doesn't stop here. Comment below which part of the world you'd like us to explore next. Your suggestions fuel our travels, inspiring us to uncover more of the world's hidden gems. And remember, liking and subscribing helps our channel grow. Until next time, keep exploring.